Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khuran.
And my name is Malaika.
I read Habib English Model School in class 4.
And in class 1.
Trust Allah for everything, no matter what.
You lose, you trust Allah. You win, you trust Allah. You gain, you trust Allah. You have problems, you trust Allah. Things are not going your way. Things are not going your way. You thank Him even more, and you talk to Him. That's a very good habit to talk to Allah.
And Allah knows it more than you do.
मुझे अभी जाना है. I must leave now. एक गुड भी नहीं. Not even a sip. कचरा फेंक दो. Throw the garbage. ये क्या है? What is this? क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you sick? मैं स्टिक देने जाऊँ? Should I go for stick?